Okay, now we're going to be going over the utensils and the pots that you're going to need. We're going to need a frying pan or a saute pan, whichever one you have. We're going to be using this one to cook the garlic and the broccoli with lemon in it. We're also going to need another pot that we're going to cook the rice in, and you're always best to use a top as well if you can get one. We're going to obviously need a knife with which to cut our vegetables, a spoon, we're going to be using that to go ahead and stir the rice up with, and then a fork. You don't need anything as fancy as this. A regular fork will do, and that is to handle the chicken. You're going to need a bowl in which to marinate the chicken, and again, we're going to let that baste for about 15 minutes before we actually start working with the chicken. We're going to need a baking sheet, and again, in this dish, you can broil it or you can grill it, whichever is better for you. We're going to need measuring spoons, measuring cups, a peeler, a cutting board, and because we're dealing with chicken, I'm going to use a pair of gloves.